Immediately we conducted a sort of open source AI processes. We captured the photo from that image taken from the FB page, the subject FB page. We will post the name of that FB page. And then from there, we tried to remove the background of those images. And then we deblur and enhance the photo. And then we transform the pixelated subject photo into a high-definition image.
Yeah, right now the photographs. The one on the left is the photograph of the president, and the one on the right is the photograph of the president. And the one on the left is the photograph of the unidentified man. These photos were taken from the video presented to us by our cybercrime division. In this case, we use the white light for the first two images, particularly focusing on the ear as it appears on the photograph of the president and on the ear of the unidentified man. We also use infrared light to examine the contour of the ear or the shape of the ear, and the more detailed anatomical explanation will be discussed by our forensic medical legal officer to describe the differences between the two contours of the ear. Doctor.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to all of the here, or the whole one here in the forum. So, if I may refresh your anatomy of the ear, this is the helix, this is the antihelix, this is the lobule, this is the tragus, this is the antitragus, and this is the intertragal notch. So as you can see, no, from the two photos that were presented as done spectral analysis from the video spectral analysis, you can see that this is the tragal notch here are embossed compared here, which is not that embossed. Also, the intertragal notch is larger here. This is narrower on this picture. Also, the antitragus here is more embossed as compared here, which is not embossed. So it means this picture is definitely not the same.
Teka muna, pakita lang natin to. Ito lang ha, hindi naman kasi ko doktor ha, pero tingnan niyo po itong ibabaw na ito. Ang tawag nila helix, yung parang taluka. Tingnan niyo sa nagpapakanggap ha. Tignan nyo, mas malapad, mas tupi, mas baksa. Tignan nyo sa Pangulo, manipis, mas bukas. No? Yan. Doc, can you explain to them na ito'y parang fingerprint, bawat isang tao may unique na tenga?
So this feature of the pinna of the ear is what we observe, no, for taken photographed images of a person that is being at the side, no. So we can see that this is unique to the president, to this side, and it is unique to this man and to this side.
Noon pong in-enlarge namin yung lumabas na video, ito po ang lumabas na itsura nung nasa video. So kung titingnan mo lang ang video without yung talagang close analysis like what we did, ito yung nasa video. Ito yung mukha ng nasa video. So pagka maliit lang, pinapanood mo sa iyong video, cellphone, ay kala mo kamukha talaga ng ating Pangulo. No? Gawa ito ng mga disgruntled na tao na ang nakakainis ay minamaliit ang intelihensya ng ating kababayan. Akala nila napakaliit ng utak nating mga Pilipino. So, yun ang itinagagalit natin.
Yeah. So, in other words, the material that you are seeing here are really the enhanced video material which they unblurred. So ito po mismo yung talagang video na binlur nila, but pag natanggal na yung unblurred, ito yung real image. So indeed, the intention is really to make a misrepresentation. This impostor trying to present himself as an image of the president doing unsavory acts. So this is really malicious, and this is already borne by the forensic investigation done by the NBI together with the PNP. And maybe the PNP can elaborate.
Yung nasa kanan po ba, siya na po ba talaga yung na-enlarge yung mga enhancement pag ginawa para hindi
That is the exact same video that is being circulated around. But we did some technology, use of technology to unblur it. Pero yan na mismo. That's the real impostor. We cannot say that whether this is an AI or an actual person, but the fact is this is the video that is being circulated, and definitely he is not the president. We are getting into that, and we just want to say that we are investigating this very deeply. And we already have substantial leads on how we will be able to identify the perpetrators of this malicious video. Well, we are looking into that angle, whether there is bad faith in circulating this, and if you provide particular comments as if you are agreeing with respect to this video being a representation of the president, then you might be equally liable for cybercrime, because this is a malicious imputation of a crime or vice defect that is now being done through the use of the internet.
The features can be attributed to a specific person, and those features are different from each other.
So ang sinasabi is that itong dalawang tao, no, at the very least, ang presidente at itong taong allegedly ang presidente raw, as far as these two are concerned, they have their own unique characteristics of the ear, as far as these two are concerned. Okay? Kinaklaro lang ho. Kaya kung titignan nyo mula sa ibabaw hanggang dulo, kasi may sinasabi sila, habang tumatanda, posible na nagdudroop. Okay, i-assume mo nagdudroop, but look at the entire structure, pinaliwanag ni Doktora kanina, no? Magmula sa ibabaw hanggang sa dulo, no? Pinaliwanag ni Doktor, no? Klarong-klaro po ito. And definitely, hindi po ito ang presidente. Yun ang masasabi namin. Hindi ito ang presidente. Yung kumakalat na video. Ay sila masasabi, hindi siya ang presidente. Okay? Be it AI or imposter, for whatever it is, as far as the PNP is concerned, yung finding, mamaya ipipresenta ni Gerald Cariaga, at tingin ko naman, hindi na finding ng NBI sa ngayon, no? Hindi po ito ang presidente. Ibang tao po ito. As far as yung tenga, eto tenga pa lang, ha? Wala ka pa sa jawline, tingnan mo yung panga, tingnan mo yung structure ng buong buka, diyan pa lang, nung niliwanag nila, ibang-iba na itsura ka agad just by looking at it. Dapat talaga may mananagot po rito. Hindi naman po pwede. Ganito na lang po sa mga nakikinig ngayon. What if sa inyo mangyari ito? What if babuyin kayo ng ganito? At hindi malayo ito sa dami ng teknolohiya ngayon. Sa dami na mag-e-election ka pa. Isipin mo kung we're all flooded by these things, no? So, as far as we're concerned, dapat talaga may managot po rito.